subscribe to my channel MrNams, and press this bell icon for latest updates. This is absolutely free. In this video we will make battery jumper cable. Take 2 red and 2 black battery clips. We have to wind the wire here. Cut black wire of length around 20 feet. Strip wire. And wind the wire around clip connector location which we have seen, to make a loop, and twist the loop tightly to make a tight connection. Cut red wire of equal length. Similar to black wire, strip red wire, and wind the wire around clip connector location which we have seen, to make a loop, and twist the loop tightly to make a tight connection. We have done with all connections. Now twist black and red wires. Protect wire twist with cello tape. We made battery jumper cable. Keep it in car for emergency use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed video, please subscribe, like, and share.